What did I say they happen to this guy? Get one thing I see online about this guy. This boy where they sing Lyta. I see some information where people they say Lyta na 100k they charge for event now. Say Lyta. I mean if I don't see that thing, the thing I say for blog, they say Lyta na 100,000 naira now they charge for event now. All those things. Bro, we not premier life reach that point for anybody. Oh. Not pray. You know that kind to be say you don't day up before now you call day down. People be saying all of and don't laugh together before. They call they mock you. People don't call you boss if you call they tell you Safa get up for shame make I sit down. That's not the worst point of life when man will feed day. But make I tell you, say that way they trend about Lyta, that thing me I not believe that story. Say that guy they charge 100,000 naira. Only the shirt when you go wear go that place, the event now much. Now people where you do good for, now they go spoil your name. Now why as I did now my current booking fee, I they charge 5 million. If I know you well, say I know you, say maybe you the person where you pass come now my own close person, I feel consider come minus 500k, go charge for 4.5 million. There are many people that they look at like say, Geh Geh, you too they do this or you too they do this one. But at the end of the day, in the early stage of my career, I realized something. All the show, all the event when I go when I compromise, say now my guy make I go. Now those show I take collect disrespect. Because one thing I realized recently, people, all these show organizers, they rate you according to how much where they pay you, where they charge you to come the event. So anytime maybe when you compromise, maybe you do am because of say the person when they reach out to you. Because many of them not get your number, they don't know you. So they go reach out to fellow close people. And you know you can't compromise, say Geh Geh now I beg on my guy they do am, I beg just go support him. They feel credit you like maybe logistics money, maybe just say come. And you not be your money where they charge be that to you do am because say you want support your guy now where reach out to you now your close person you can't go. If you go for that money, my brother, you go regret why you go that event. Because they go treat you according to how much way they pay you to come that place. You know you are there to support, but then they look and say they pay you to go that place. So don't compromise for your career. You saw those people where they talk, say they pay Lyta 100,000 naira. I'm not sure say Lyta will declare I collect 100,000 from anybody. Maybe now a guy now will be say they do something now. Say Lyta, will they package one my birthday or something, or one club will come for the event. Lyta your class, now so money they charge you, but since now you my guy, because you know my guy, now man you run something for you, you come. If you give her like 100,000 naira, make it just turn up for the event for her. That person now they spoil the boy name now. Say now 100k they book Lyta. Make una they understand things. This world, some people they just want to bring you down. Some people they are concerned for this line to bring you down. Once they say they spoil the mind of other people. Once they not fit do them alone, say they not fit bring you down by themselves. Misinformation. They'll try to let other people know say you not be anybody. All this is what I put on me before. The best life experience that I put for me for this and that Ghana when I go. I learn many things. Many things about life. Not be even say money. Many things about life. Now what did they help me till today? Just you not feel bring person down yourself. You got to recruit other people, make them join you to spoil people's name. Now what many of them they do? Somebody say make a reply Saidaboj. Person already had that career. What I want reply her for? That girl that already that chapter don't go. Me I dey live life with chapter. If you tell me I go reply Saidaboj, person will be say I don't already live behind. Me I not dey live my life. Me in a stage I still dey live life. It get wetin dey master to me. They important to me at every stage of my life. At this stage of my life, not be Saidaboj my problem, not be she be my concern. I don't defeat that one. It just be like say you say me person go repeat primary 3. Person wey don dey primary 5, you say me go repeat primary 3 for what purpose? To go and do what? Life na sharp time. When I understand all these things, that phase of my life don't go. That my Saidaboj. And that song when I drop na evergreen. Go club every day Saidaboj Toto. You not get it to way Saidaboj won't bring. We will fit counter Saidaboj Toto. How? I mean, if I need to understand, see me, I know they see that girl as enemy. I like her. Baby, I'm in love with you. Saidaboj, you're my love. Now my love she be. Person be sad to that get to get all year. To na don't make millions. Not more that get to do that get. Man, I know they fight because say I dey fight when I want fight. I be financial expert. That guy when they smart, I go drop one sock Saidaboj to so that every time when I go club they perform the song they spray me money now to start they make the money. Person want to they generate millions for me now wants as my enemy. That get to get all year they inside. That I also never make me. So that boy not really bad. The women not wanna they think as that get to never make me get all year money to do they generate millions. She's my love. You know, so when she posts the song, I repost the song for her. I help her repost the song because she still get career. I dey pity her say, you know, people love me well, and I be the only person will be say, as I dey like this, you know, say normally, even as Davido dey, if they don't go club, if they don't carry they come event before, like maybe they don't carry they come this kind of place now for, maybe they carry they come this kind of venue now. Next time when they won't carry they come, people not agree turn up again because they don't first see them before. They not go like one turn up. I say maybe go take well first. But me the person will be say, you fit carry me go place today now, go perform as a person. The next time people the people where they brought for them, they tell me they still bring again. People won't see me naturally. So when Saidaboj come and say, you drop that a career go, follow and go. When last you hear from Saidaboj, you not be this song which she drop about me. I don't want to say, I can't go do am again. No. Make she also, me and person will be say, I always advocate for make girls go to work. I can't see Saidaboj will be say she dey use social media to her advantage, say they make money for herself. You say make her end up finally, make her perish her finally. No now. No. I not go do that one. When I see later, make she still get her shine small. That's how they live my life. Now why say when she release the song, I post the song for my story on IG, on TikTok, on Facebook, on my platform, WhatsApp, everywhere. I post her everywhere to support her. Because she not really bad. Me, I dey see through people. I dey see through people. Now you will not dey understand social media. Now I dey see through people. That girl feel even they give her boyfriend money steady because she's working. Facebook they pay her. She dey get brand deals. She dey make a lot of money. She feel even they give her boyfriend money. Now those ones where they online, now she dey deceive. Because guess what they deceive? They sabi deceive their fellow girl. Now only me as I dey here now, woman go show me paper. I come on like, can't tell you. Say, see what he girl use my eyes. So I mean my fellow men not make the mistake. But woman, they deceive their fellow women. You see all those also be say they not they see husband, they marry. You see all those also not they see husband. All those girls who be say all the women who in their 30s, in their 40s, and they see they single, they not they see husband marry. Instead when they come and talk, say, to see man hard though, they not go talk among. They go prayer house, go they pray for man. But for social media, they go they tell their fellow girls, say, go and be independent, go and work this, forget man na this. Now so that they be. They go they preach rubbish on social media. Now so woman sabi deceive a fellow woman. But man not dey like that. As I dey now, if girl do me something now, wait pay me now, I'll come on like, I'll tell you, so bro, see what you want girl do me. So me on that boy not go for that victim of that thing. But woman not dey like that. All those also they do feminist, say man and woman are the same thing. Those who they not even see better man marry themselves, they not go. So women dey for this life, they will be say, they're not dey lucky with men. They're not dey lucky with men. They're not dey lucky with men. So what I don't realize so much, this is our life when they live now, so it just be from you. Because they recruit their fellow other ones to be like them, may not be like now. Only they did that miserable life. But man not dey like that. Man go call you. Be like so now they even they go around communities. Man go call you, say my son come. Especially when they see from my side, I don't know about myself. From my side, you go see man now where they my age now, way elderly man. You go see young boy like me now they work out with girl. You go see the way they work out with that girl. You go call you say my son come. If the girl they follow, they go tell you say no. You go tell the girl me the girl dead. As I say you come. You go tell you say you see this life when they live now. I don't live on before, and I waiting put me for this miserable life when they live. Oh. But many of them you go feel like say because say not guy, and the reason why they talk like that, but he know wetin he see, and they see that mistake wey you don dey make. Now why they tell you? Now why they see? Even me, I dey do. If I dey my community, especially if I dey around my community, e get one people that always dey see. Anytime when you dey see this guy, small boy, yo, this boy never even, if he even don't reach 18 self, now God abeg. You not get any day when you know they see this boy now with different girls. Every time when they see on a different guy, I call her one that say come, bro. I call her say come. We not relatable in my community, boy. I call her say come. I say you see this life when where you they live now. Where your age mate they walk now. You carry all these ones they follow body. You go spell your for your mind. If you say you be big boy, you get level. All these guys now, a few years from now again now. Now all those your guys, all those your age mate the way they hustle now, they go end up with those boys. They go leave you, they go end up with those boys. One of they go end up with those ones where they work, where they focus on their dream now. Where they focus on self-development, self-improvement. Now those people, those guys go end up with, not be you where they front them now. Go and walk. I talk to that to the point where we say, hey, for us to even continue to work, I follow the girl go self. Because they would they had, I can't tell the girl say me the girl they go say you go come. They play. I go advise you. So that tomorrow if your life spoil, you go to Geh Geh really tell me this thing, no. Maybe that I know when I know they talk. So the last comment of a fool, if to say I know before, I for listen to advice. Maybe the motto of Geh Geh University, I know the last comment of a fool. Cause that time now when you they cry, now nobody go there with you again. Cause they tell you before you know here, now you decide, now you choose. Say now this part you won't follow. Now when the nemesis and the consequences don't come, when you they regret your life, we not go there. 4 things. We won't start lecture now. 4 things you supposed to know about relationship as a normal young boy who don't come of age.
And remember, like and subscribe. Or else. Smash that button now.